I'm going to tell you why your eyes, demonstrate to all of you that your eyes suck at blue. I actually got this from a website that has pictures and so forth. I'm stealing the idea from them. But I'm not only, rather than showing you the website, I'm going to show it to you through Java code. So, this is actually some code that we use in our Intro to Programming course. We have a little interface called Picture, which all it is, you can get the width and height of a picture, and you can get the color at any particular coordinate. And then what you do is you write a lot of decorators for this. So for example, twist is a decorator that simply flips the X and Y components to something. So here's a demo where I'm going to I get an image and you can load it from a file, whatever your base things, and then I'm going to take it, I'm going to show a green is a decorator. Let me show you what green does. Green just, it's the same width and height as the original element, and the color zeroes out the red and blue components. Returns just the green component. Okay? So I'm going to show you this. So the first version of this, we've got me again. So the original picture, and then a version of the picture where I've zeroed out the blue and the red components. Twist is one where I flipped the X and Y components. Flip left right is where I've just swapped it left right. And if you take an image and twist it and then flip it left right, you get clockwise 90 degrees. Just sort of an interesting way to show people how this stuff works. Okay, I'm going to kill that one. Okay, now I'm going to show this. Okay, so now I've got another little guy here called distort, which just pixelates an image. Okay? And so that's all it does. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that image and I'm going to then, so RGB picture is something that takes 3 images and it gets the red component from the first image, the green component from the second, and the blue from the third. Okay. So here I am. Oops, save that. Okay, so here's the original picture. Here's pixelated. In this picture, I have pixelated just the red component. In this picture, I have pixelated just the green component. In this picture, I have pixelated just the blue component. The pixelation is very obvious when I've pixelated the green. It's actually pretty subtle in the one where I've pixelated blue. Now, of course, what you will see is you will see color variations here, right? But the actual sort of visual acuity, and of course, anytime you should try to show color on a video projector, you know you're asking for trouble. But you know, there's quite a bit of difference in terms of pixelation, and I can make this even more obvious to make it really blatant. Okay, this is going to.
Isn't there a case of me that picture doesn't have much blue in it?
Say what?
There isn't much blue in it.
No question.
There's a lot of green or something in the picture. Is that the question? Okay, so actually, let me show you. I'm going to fix it. I'm going to come back up here. Equals new. Is it grace of image? Okay, so now I'm going to take grayscale. Right? So now, the gray is something that just averages all the components, all the things. And so now it's nothing to do with the color in the source picture, because there is no color in the source picture. Right? And so, that's pretty clear. So in the one where pixelated blue, you definitely see colors off, right? But the visual acuity, so basically what's going on is that your eyes have the highest line resolution, the highest picture density in green, and then red, and then blue. Blue, it's a very low resolution image that your eyes get in blue, and that's why things like JPEG. That's why there's different compression for the different components. They know that they can compress the blue more because your eyes don't retain blue as much. There's no compression issues here because this is all being done raw bits. Okay, and then let me blow it up even more. So this is like a silly level of distortion. Right. And so there's no color, and it's just, the one where pixelated green, you can barely make out the face. The other one's, the image is still there. I'm done.